The question that arises here is, what is the difference between ChatGPT-3 and ChatGPT-4? In this video, I'm going to take you through the differences between these two AI models. Let's start by discussing the accuracy of both ChatGPT models. Upon closer inspection, the output of ChatGPT-3 seems to contain an excessive amount of words, which can be a bit bothersome. On the other hand, ChatGPT-4 provides a concise and direct answer to the question, indicating that it is more accurate in delivering the information with fewer words. Now let's talk about the word limits of both. ChatGPT-3 has a word limit of 30,000 words, whereas ChatGPT-4 has the ability to create a whopping 25,000 words, which is 8x more than ChatGPT-3 could handle. Now let's talk about the speed of both models. ChatGPT-4 is much faster than ChatGPT-3, meaning the questions that took minutes to get answered will now take only seconds. Now, one of the biggest changes between ChatGPT-4 and ChatGPT-3 is that the latest version of the software can understand images. This is because ChatGPT-4 is a multimodal, meaning that it can understand different modes of information from words to images. ChatGPT-3, on the other hand, was limited to text inputs and responses, limiting its use cases. In my opinion, both are amazing. If you have to be basic, you can use ChatGPT-3, and if you have to be advanced, you can use ChatGPT-4. Now, these were the differences between ChatGPT-3 and ChatGPT-4. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get notified about the latest information about artificial intelligence. See you in the next one.